Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is June Penny, if you don't already know. And before I get started, let me give you all a big old hug and tell you how much I love and appreciate you all. In today's video, I am going to show you how to get that gray in your eyebrows that's making you look a little tired, a little bit older, and we ain't having none of that because, we have to fix some stuff up in here. So if you are interested, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so this is the product that I have, and it's just for men, and it's not just for men. This is, it's kind of on the expensive side. It's $11.99, but when you think about it, you can get so many uses from this, because sometimes when you get dye, you have only one use and it has to be put away. But I never tried this before. This is new to me, but it's my research, my use of research. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so let me show you what's in the box. Okay, number one, one second, please. Okay, so here is the color base and the color developer. So as you see, you get 2 tubes. So this will last a while, only if you're gonna do your eyebrows, or if you want to do root touch up. I'm gonna try that on my roots maybe. Let's see what happens. My daughter gave me a spoolie, because obviously I cannot use that, although it might be good, but pair of gloves, a little tray. I'm gonna take my little tray. Oh, look how cute. And you're going to put a pea size, because you don't need much, just like that. And the same with the other color. And we're gonna mix those suckers together. See, and what's good about this is you seal it back up. You have it for so long. See? Mix it together like so. This is gonna be fun. Okay, mix it up good. It comes out some mustard yellow. Oh my gosh, my eyebrows, it's crazy. And you know what I noticed as I'm getting older? I don't have to tweeze them as much. Just like the little stragglers that you've seen in that picture. So, okay. I'm going to take my spoolie, just roll it around. I might have needed more. I don't know. Okay, so here we go. Make sure not to get it in your eyes. Okay, and you're just going to shroud the eyebrows. This one. Well, they look black. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit for about 5-10 minutes, and then I'll be back. I'll take it off and I will show you the final result. Okay, so 10 minutes has passed and I look crazy. So I am going to take a little bit of that. I'm only showing you my method because I think this is, oh boy. Looks really good. I hope all that gray came out. Okay, so basically, you're gonna wipe it off. Oh boy. Now I'm gonna wet it a little bit and get the excess off. Yeah, I think I still have that stubborn gray hair there, but no, it's good. I can go back over this if I wanted to. So let's do a close-up so you can see. Take my clean spoolie now. Yeah, I think I have, unless no, that looks like a gray hair. I don't think that gray hair took. what? I guess I'm gonna have to pluck her out. But basically, this is it. And you know what? I don't know how long it's gonna last, but at least I have these other tubes to just keep doing it. You know what I'm saying? Once I see it, if I want, I could just go over it. And so I won't have that gray look on my eyebrows, because I really think it just makes you look older. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm blind, so I don't know if that's just like a little bald spot, like a little sparse spot, or it could be. I can't see how it wouldn't dye it, but this is it. So I'm gonna put on a little makeup, and then I'm going to just fill some in, and I'll show you the end result of that. Okay, so this is the end result. I cleaned it up a little bit, I tweezed a little, and I did, don't mind, look at this. I'm doing crafts. So I did skip over that one hair that was just like, he's a pain in my booty, but I didn't cover him all the way. I don't know why. I guess I have to maybe keep it on a little bit longer, or just make sure that it's really, really covered. But this is the end result, and I love it. And as soon as I see those pesky grays coming out, well, I got my tube, and this tube is gonna last me a long time. So let me know in the comment section down below what you think of my eyebrows and if you use this product, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.